We are the parents of our 8-year-old son. He is in autism spectrum. We get to know his autism when he was 1.5 year old. We were having a therapy in our country, but during the pandemic, we got a very good opportunity through the Mom's Belief. We got such a professional therapist who assist us to give home therapy towards our kids. They boost up our confidence. They give us the confidence that yes, we can do the therapy at home, and whatever hurdles we are getting during the therapy, they are solving very easily. And from the last 1 year, we are doing the joint session with the Mom's Belief, and with respect to occupational therapy, speech therapy, with my son's academic progress, this is very helpful program. We are seeing 1 year development of our son is really a good and satisfactory. So I think that Mom's Belief is really a blessing to us during the pandemic also, and we are hoping that we are going to get future also with Mom's Belief, and we will see our son is flourishing with the bright stars. Thank you.
And adding to it, what mother just now says is that we as a parent always in hunt for a quality service where Vaibhav will get not only the therapy but of his own environment. So even though it's an online, so Mom Belief has given a program in such a way that it is not limited just to therapies like behavior or a speech or maybe his the therapies which has been going on, but also they have designed such a flexible home-based schooling program which is benefited him not only to get closer to the normal academics as much as possible, but also his routine therapies are also going on. And we as a parent gets an opportunity, since it's an online, and we used to have a session with the experts from Mom Belief, and we as a parents gets an opportunity to learn through this particular curve, and we pass on the same knowledge to our able to pass on the same knowledge to our son. So it is benefited for both of us that we are learning, we are passed on to him, and we as a all-time full-time available therapist to our son, and under the guidelines of Mom's Belief, and it is definitely benefiting to us. So we are not finding any much difference between on-site and the online program which Mom Belief is driving right now for our son. So the home-based schooling is really benefited, and for past almost a year we are now enrolled with this particular program, and we are finding a significant difference in a behavior, in a speech, in his routine day-to-day life activities what he's been doing on, and we are very much happy the way program has been designed. It's flexible, it is having the continuous interaction with the parents and the development of the child, and we can contact the therapists and the experts at any given point of time, irrespective of the daylight and irrespective of the region or any part of the globe are you staying in. So they are always helpful and available. This is what we parents are expecting, that the expert should be available with us shoulder to shoulder in terms of development and the progress of our son. So we are really thankful to Mom's Belief from bottom of our heart, and we are looking forward towards the continuous engagement in terms of various programs which they have, and whichever is benefited to us. So thank you very much, Mom's Belief.